Hi, today I'm for the ZTE Nubia Red Magic 6R and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why I tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we should just here open the app, tap to yes, I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. After that, we can see here information about our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 30 degrees. Also, we can find here more info like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, Android version, device model, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.